The solution is to use something like this. This is a loose fishing line. You can use tooth floss or something else, but I will use this. I tried it with a harder fishing line, but it won't go through. It needs to be so loose. So I will take this out, and then I will go with the fishing line through the hole, through the loop. Then I will take both of the ends of the fishing line, and with them I will go through. You need to go like this from up, and then you just push like this and it's here. Then you just lose this off, push it like that, just push it like so, and that's it.